Welcome back to Future Fuel, your ultimate destination for all things automotive. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated luxury sedans of the year, the 2025 Audi A8. If you're a fan of cutting-edge technology, unparalleled comfort, and exhilarating performance, this is the car you've been waiting for. The Audi A8 has always been synonymous with prestige and sophistication, and the 2025 model takes this reputation to an entirely new level. Let's explore what makes the latest iteration of Audi's flagship sedan a standout in the competitive luxury segment. A design that exudes elegance. From the moment you set eyes on the 2025 Audi A8, it's clear that this sedan is a masterpiece of design. The exterior boasts a sharper, more dynamic profile, with an even larger single-frame grille flanked by sleek matrix LED headlights. These lights not only enhance visibility, but also give the A8 an unmistakable presence on the road. The body is crafted with a mix of aluminium and high-strength steel, ensuring a lightweight yet durable structure. Every line and contour of the A8 serves a purpose, from improving aerodynamics to creating a bold visual statement. In the rear, OLED taillights and a seamless light bar complete the car's modern and futuristic aesthetic. Interior luxury redefined. Step inside the 2025 Audi A8 and you'll be transported to a world of pure opulence. The cabin is a harmonious blend of premium materials including fine leather, open-pore wood, and brushed aluminum. Audi's dedication to craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the meticulously stitched seats to the ambient lighting that can be customized to your mood. The spacious interior offers generous legroom, especially in the rear, making the A8 an excellent choice for those who enjoy being chauffeured. The optional executive rear seat package adds reclining seats, a footrest, and even a massage function, perfect for long journeys or business trips. Technology that amazes. Audi's MMI touch response system takes center stage, featuring dual high-resolution touchscreens that control everything from navigation to climate settings. The system is intuitive and seamlessly integrates with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For audiophiles, the available Bang & Olufsen advanced sound system provides a concert-like experience. One of the standout tech features is Audi's AI-assisted driving capabilities. The 2025 A8 comes with Level 3 autonomous driving in regions where regulations permit, allowing for hands-free driving in certain conditions. Combined with adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist, this sedan offers a glimpse into the future of mobility. Powertrain options. Under the hood, the 2025 Audi A8 offers a range of powertrains to suit every driving style. The base model comes equipped with a turbocharged V6 engine, paired with a mild hybrid system for enhanced efficiency. For those seeking more power, there's a twin-turbocharged V8 option that delivers exhilarating acceleration. Audi's Quattro wheel drive system is standard across the lineup, ensuring optimal traction in all weather conditions. The 8-speed automatic transmission is smooth and responsive, contributing to a refined driving experience. Sustainability meets performance. In line with Audi's commitment to sustainability, the A8 also features a plug-in hybrid variant. This model combines a powerful gasoline engine with an electric motor, providing impressive performance while reducing emissions. With an all-electric range of around 40 miles, the plug-in hybrid is perfect for urban commutes or environmentally conscious drivers. Safety first. The 2025 Audi A8 is packed with advanced safety features to protect you and your passengers. From night vision assist to predictive active suspension that adjusts to road conditions in real time. The A8's robust safety suite earns it top ratings in crash tests, reinforcing its status as a leader in luxury and security. Final thoughts. The 2025 Audi A8 is more than just a car, it's a statement. Whether you're drawn to its elegant design, cutting-edge technology, or thrilling performance, the A8 delivers on all fronts. This sedan isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing every journey in unparalleled style and comfort. If you're as excited about the 2025 Audi A8 as we are, let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in automotive innovation. This is Future Fuel, and we'll see you in the next video.